Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and in this video I am going to explain ICSE Class 9 Physics Chapter 2 Motion in One Dimension. First, let us know what does motion in one dimension mean. As we all know and we have studied in earlier classes, motion means movement, or if a body moves, its movement is known as motion. And one dimension here means one direction. So motion in one dimension basically means a body moving in one or straight direction. For example, if I move from point A to point B without taking any turn, my motion is said to be one dimensional motion. So let's move forward, and now let us know what is scalar and vector quantity. Scalar quantity, this is the physical quantity which is expressed only by its magnitude. Now example, if I say that a mass of body is 5 kilogram, I am completely expressing the mass of the body. We need two parameters to express a scalar quantity. First is unit. Unit may be length, time, etc. Numerical value is the number such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let's move to vector quantities. Vector quantity require the magnitude as well as the direction to express them. Then only their meaning is complete. For example, if I say that move 5 kilometer away from point A, the first question that will arise is in which direction. So for expressing the vector quantities, direction is important. Now if I say move 5 kilometers away from point A in east direction, the meaning is complete, and I'm completely saying direction also. For expressing vector quantity, we need the three parameters. First, the unit. Unit is the quantity in which it is measured. For example, length, mass, time, etc. Next, we need direction. Direction is the most important. And lastly, numerical value of the quantity. Now, let us know what does rest and motion mean. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its immediate surrounding. Here it means a body is said to be at rest. We call a body is at rest if it does not change its position. If it doesn't move from its place with respect to its immediate surrounding, it is known as rest. While a body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its immediate surrounding. This means a body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be moving if it changes its position, if it moves from its place with respect to its immediate surrounding. Now, let's know one dimensional motion. We have studied one dimensional motion in the introduction only, but let's recapitulate it again. As said earlier, if a body moves along a straight line path without taking any turn, its motion is said to be one dimensional motion. It is also known as rectilinear motion or straight line motion. Now, some examples of one dimensional motion are the motion of a train on a straight track, a stone falling down vertically, a car moving on a long and straight road, etc. Now, let's note distance and displacement. Consider a body moving from point A to point B along the path shown in the figure below. The length of the path from A to B is called the distance moved by the body, while the length of straight line AB is direction from A to B, which is known as displacement. So let's learn it separately. First, distance. The total length of path through which a body moves is called the distance traveled by it, which means the total length of path. The total length of path means, for example, from point A to point B, the length of path may be x kilometer through which a body moves is called distance traveled by it. The distance traveled by a body depends on the path followed by the body. Distance is scalar quantity. Why it is scalar quantity? Because we do not need direction here. And now the SI unit of distance is meter and CGS unit is centimeter. Now let's know displacement. The shortest distance from the initial to the final position. Here, the shortest distance from point A to point B of the body is the magnitude of displacement. The SI unit of displacement is meter and CGS unit is centimeter. If you have the textbook of Concise Physics Revised Edition of ICSE Class 9, please open page number 29. There below is a table of uh, distance and displacement. You please learn it as it may help you for ICSE Class 9 board.